Greetings, beloved. Greetings. How are you, beloved? How are you? Dumelang baratua, dumelang Jesu ke morena. Dumelang baratua. Yeah, no. I had to stop that live because I was having a meeting. But yeah, I'm back here. Yeah. Just say something, tell me where are you watching from? Mosetsana gape Molosiwa. Fishers Adolf dumela hle. Molekwa Rakwala dumela. Alexis Tabo, my father, how are you? Bless you Tabo. How are you guys? Sylvester Netsianda Villagazi. Afternoon. Mafuta Mutusi. The anointed blessing Matswaka. Greetings. Mpomodikwe Leribe. Lesotho is here. Mudiehi, I see Mudiehi there. Mulelekwa Rakwata, Ranfontein. Next to Musake. Kumo Mutibi Hori. Hello. I'm watching from Voyentin. Yo, no. What's a Voyentin? Kukaimo. Where is that place? Where is that place? Voyentin. From Harry Smith. Mabutle Mulife. Mabutle from Harry Smith. Wow. Watching from Lady Brand. Lady Manyatsi. Lady Brand. Greetings, the people from Manyatse, Lady Brent. I'm watching from Pumalanga, Nelspruit, Nobigate Road, Kruger. Wow. Eringamene kakerekeng, eringamene sidani. Hey, Faith Masika, bless you. Bupelong, Movango, greetings. Precious Chabane for Murule, Prophet Nzela, how are you? From Kanye, Botswana. Yeah. Daddy, Zamdela is in the house. Wow. Now, this is wonderful. CD, so flat, Bloemfontein. Great, guys. All right. Stellenbosch University. Wow. Yeah, guys, you are amazing. Naoma Chaba from Muzuku. I'm watching just in the neighborhood. Val Park. Wow. You are just in the neighborhood. Rusty, Rustenbeck. Awesome. Good, guys. Quick one. I want to invite you guys. On Sunday, we are really having a powerful service, Kali 27, watching from Khabane, Botswana. I'm coming to Botswana first week. I'll be in Gaborone next week. The week of the 4th of I'll be there. Northern Cape, Mpumalanga, Bushbuck Ridge, Akon Hook. This is amazing. From Ventersburg. Okay, guys, the whole South Africa is here and the neighboring countries. Yeah, now I want to invite you guys. On Sunday, we have a very powerful service. There is a group where Elidoanki Vendalimpopo. There's gonna be powerful worshippers here on Sunday. Centurion Pretoria is here. Afternoon, Bishop, I'm watching from Mapetla Extension, Soweto, Piri Mapetla. No. Tabise Mohu from Midrand. Bishop, I'm watching from Velcom, near Tabo. Yeah, then Sunday, guys, please. Sunday, we have a powerful service. We have powerful worshippers that will be here on Sunday. Michael Mwadi Muruti, critics. KwaZulu Natal, Durban. Sure. Yeah, no. Now, Sunday, we are having a powerful service here. Khetan Konese and the team with many artists that will be here. I want you to come and join us this Sunday. Watching from Botswana, Ubake Mutuna, Botswana, Lesotho, Mafeteng, Mafeteng, Ilakafitla Mafeteng, Umuritin Toma, Nehale. I'm coming to Botswana, yes, I'm coming to Botswana, call Bishop Sakifiwa. My bishop watching from Nas Kwamakekeza. Yo, I'm a vendor brother bishop. Greetings, the vendor brother. Now, guys, Sunday we are having a service here, powerful worship service. It's a super Sunday. I want you to be part of that service. My bishop, I'm watching from Nas Kwamakekeza, Mpumalanga. Oh, it's in Mpumalanga. I've seen Mpumalanga, I've seen KZN, I've seen Cape Town, I've seen, the whole South Africa. I've seen Lesotho, I've seen Botswana. We are here. And I want us to join that service on a Sunday, guys. On a Sunday, this Sunday, the 27th of Kishebilekil, Everton North, 106, Kim Pillar, Everton North. Great to hear from people. You know that I stayed in Everton. I stayed in Avondale Road. Dumela Tabo Kwena Bahulu. My bishop, I'm watching from Soweto, Msawawa, Mamelodi. Wow, this is amazing. Love you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting me, praying for me, and loving the ministry that God has given us. We appreciate that. Maseru, I'm coming to Maseru very soon. I'll be in Lesotho very soon. Watching from Sabi and Mpumalanga. I'm having people from Mpumalanga. I'm really penetrating Mpumalanga. I love what is happening in Mpumalanga. My bishop watching from Botshabelo. Hey, great. Taung, Otanim Bishop. I will come to Taung, Kon of West. I'm watching from Bloemfontein. Yes, Iwelele Samasele. Toyando. Yo, Auspa Doa End Time Harvest Church. Watching from Botterville. Oh, great. Bishop, please, can you come to Mama's farm? But it must be Saturday. Yes, Agnes, inbox and we talk. Inbox. Tepo Samuel Makutswani, greetings. Yes, guys, then Saturday, we're having a very powerful service here at House of Praise. I'm broadcasting here from my office at House of Praise Ministries in Zambela, Sasolbeck, and I want you to come. Those who are far, then join us online or after church just to watch. It's going to be powerful. But if you are around Vaal, you are around Joburg, you are around Pretoria, you are just come. Hey, Nabil, my son from Pakistan. Grace to you, my son from Pakistan. Yes. Woo. Yes, I love it. Now, guys, this Sunday, it's a super Sunday here in House of Praise Ministries, Zambela Sasolbeck. It's going to be powerful. It's going to be amazing. I want you to make a way. If you are around Sebokeng, you are around Bopilong, Sharpeville, you are around Paris, you are around Riefengroto, Dennisville, I want you to come. Copies, you are not far here. Yeah, you must come here Sunday. It's a super Sunday. Yes, Murutima Koloi. It's a super Sunday for this. We're going to see the supernatural power. Yes, my father prophesied that the rain is coming. Rain is coming. I hear the sound. Mfundisi wami, Muruti Khwarai Tlake. My pastor, long time, sir, long time. Happy to hear from you, my leader. May the Lord continue to bless you, sir. You are my spirit, Tabi. So thank you very much. I appreciate that. Appreciate those words. Yes, guys, yeah. Mahlodi mate makre ka mohao hlangwane so re phetse. Re leba modimo a holo se ka wena around Bothaville and Viljoen. Thank you very much, Junior Offense. Watching from Lesotho, Maseru is here. Maseru is here. And Bloemfontein is here. I see Sasa Pokani is from Bloemfontein. It's amazing, guys. I'm happy. Hey, we miss you. Lerato Ndlela, we miss you very much. We miss you. Sasolbek miss you, Daddy. Sasolbek miss you. Hamato Saram watching from Rustenburg. Rusty is also here. Thank you, Nabil. Thank you for those prayers. Thank you. How is Pakistan then? Yes, guys. Now, we are having a powerful service on Sunday. I want you to make your way here. It's going to be powerful. It's going to be powerful. When are you coming in Bloemfontein? Kifile, I will check my schedule, but I believe God will make a way that I come to Bloemfontein. Yes, we'll definitely. Greetings, my bishop. That cap. Was like happy Fabian. We parted like happy Fabian. Come back again in my Milodi. Call Pastor Meran. Hey, that is my church. That is my church. Apostle Meran. I love that church. I love that atmosphere. I'm coming very soon. My bishop from Pretoria, Slovo Mabupani. Awesome, guys. Yo, this is amazing. Thank you, man. Thank you for the love. Watching from Botswana. I think it's Botswana, yes. Now, guys. No, great, guys. Let's make a way. Let me just say, see more. Khadikhale Sbaye Polukwane. Okay. Great. Hey. Mona makoloi monna re a leboa re kopa o tle December, bishop. No, modimo tla tsatsela ke tla ka Lesotho ka mo December. Okay, guys, love you and God bless you. Let me see you on Sunday. All is well here. Okay, thank you, Nabil. Thank you that all is well in Pakistan. Pakistan is here, Botswana is here, Lesotho is here, South Africa, Free State is here. Hey, you give Antoni. Everyone is here. The whole globe, everyone from different parts of the world are here. And we appreciate you guys. We love you. We bless the Lord. And have a blessed day. Tumelanda namruti kisante ne mona empa haye ke maseru Lesotho re akopa Lesotho mona. No, ke asuka sello sa Lesotho mo. Ke tloetsa nako. Ne ke bisitanya no ya kwana ntse ke lukisa ke re le ke qeta. Yes, it's Botswana. Thank you. Extend like a reke mona jwale ke tlamile ke sebetse ka thata. My focus I will in the build the work here local. Then so that I will still travel, but it will travel and take focus a whole. The church is big. I think you guys have seen how big is this church. Then it needs me to focus and work. Muruti, my husband, I would like to inquire and get some advice on something. Palisa, please drop me a inbox. Drop me an inbox. Please visit my school, El Shaddai. I know El Shaddai, Kofana Bail. I know El Shaddai. Madume Bishop, man of God. Palisa Kanye from Shaville. These are my people. Shaville is my home. Can you? No. Don't rush to my office now. I'm going to leave the office now. Palace, I'm going to leave my office now. No, I'm not here forever. I'm just, I have to go and fetch the child from school. Now, inbox me, then we make an appointment. Love you and miss you so much. I love you and miss you, John. God bless you. Agnes Mpatswe, greetings. The Lord is good. The Lord is merciful. The Lord is gracious. All right, Manabesu. I will see you on Sunday, and God bless you. Have a blessed day. Sharp, sharp.